to sound like a Canadian or any native English speaker. You can't. But you can get really close with these three shortened forms: Whatcha, Gonna, and Didja. Whatcha sounds and spelled like this: Whatcha, Whatcha. It's the shortened form of what are you. We shorten it to what you, and then we even shorten the you to ya. Whatcha. What ya up to right now? Are you watching me? What you doing on the weekend? Gonna. This is the shortened form for going to. It's a future form. What you gonna do on the weekend? That means what are you going to do on the weekend? But don't say it like that. What are you going to do on the weekend? What you gonna do on the weekend? I'm gonna. Didja. This is for a question. It's the shortened form of did you. Did you do anything interesting last weekend? Did you go out to a restaurant? Can you go out to a restaurant these days? Did you? Didja. Practice time! Choose one of the three shortened forms and make a sentence in the comments. Choose from Whatcha Gonna Didja. Try to spell it like the shortened form. Whatcha Gonna Didja. We never write it like this, but we do say it like this. What? The hair? Oh, let me fix it. Perfect! Canadian song time!